Okay, so let's talk about our math message. Even though I told two separate stories, they both had the same numbers in them. They both had 11 as the sum. 11 was the total amount of pennies, and 11 was the number that the dealer said was the sum. And we know the word sum means total in math, right? So I'm going to write down an 11 because we know we have that number. The other number that was in both stories was the number 8. In the penny story, I said you had 8 pennies in one hand and 11 total pennies. And in Salute, I said your friend had an 8 on their forehead and the dealer said 11 was the total. So those are the same numbers we're working with for both stories. There's several different strategies you can use to solve this number story, and I'm going to go over them, and I want you to notice which one is yours, okay? Because I'm sure you used one of these. So we have an 11 and an 8. You can start at 8, and I bet a lot of us did this, and we wanted to see how many hops it was to get to 11. So we did 1 hop, 2 hop, and 3 hops, right? And we found out that our missing number was 3. Are you one of those people? I bet you are. I bet there's some of you out there. I bet there's other people who might have tried this strategy. They started at 11 and they saw how many hops it took them to get to 8. Because we're trying to find the difference between 8 and 11. And they went 1 hop, 2 hop, 3 hops. 3. They got 3 also. They just started at 11 and went to 8. And some people started at 8 and went to 11. Then I bet there's even a few people who tried this strategy. They started at 11 and they took 8 hops. So they got rid of all those pennies that were in one hand, or they got rid of everything that was on their friend's forehead. And they did 1 hop, 2 hops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And look at that. They ended up with the number 3 because in this fact family, the numbers are 3 and 8 and our sum is 11, right? 11, 3, and 8 are our 3 numbers. Did you use one of those strategies? The 4th number line I put here just to show you we really can't use a 4th strategy for this because I can't really say I'm going to start at 3 because I didn't know that number. Remember, that one was the number we didn't know. So I have it here to say, oh, we really couldn't use that one. We can use any one of these other 3 strategies. Do you see, though, that taking the least amount of hops is probably the safest way to go? But all 3 strategies work.